Good morning, welcome to Vlogtober day 9. I am currently at the Delta because I'm about to head in. I have 2 days of professional development and leadership training that I'm doing for today and tomorrow, and I'm very excited. So I am going to take a couple clips in the workshop. I'll make sure I'm taking out all the audio so that you don't hear any kind of confidential information, and then at the end of the day I'll share my takeaways with you. Very excited. Hi, so I just got out of my workshop and I'm sitting in the car before I go pick up Eric. I just wanted to tell you about how it went and share some of my takeaways from it. So one of the biggest things that I was able to take away from it was the 5 different components of emotional intelligence. So I typically had always thought of emotional intelligence of being like empathy and how good you are with people. But one thing that I thought was really interesting was that a big piece of it is a self-reflection and how you deal with emotions within yourself, and then how you deal with others is another piece of it, but it's actually like it builds on the foundation of what you have with yourself. So the first thing was self-assessment. The second thing was self-regulation, so like impulse control and how you regulate your own emotions. And the third piece of the self side was motivation. And so I thought that that was really interesting that your EI is based on those 3 things as a starting point, and then from there you build up the empathy and the social skills piece, which is what people see externally that has a lot to do with how you're perceived as an emotionally intelligent person, but that you could be further along than you think you are if you have a strong base in the other 3 areas and you just have specific things that you need to work on. So I thought that that was really, really cool. Another piece that I really enjoyed, and I think a lot of us really enjoyed, was working through a template and a tool before you have a difficult conversation with someone that helps you see things from their perspective as well. There were a lot of people in the room that were managers that sometimes have to deliver bad news to other people, and they said that working through that sheet really helped them to see things from the other person's perspective and have a better idea of how the conversation would go and to be better prepared for it. And they said that being prepared is just like a huge part of how to have difficult conversations in a more productive way. We also talked about dealing with difficult people and leading change, which were both really interesting. The leading change piece was really similar to the stuff that I did when I used to work in Belleville, so it was nice to kind of get back into that mindset as we were talking about it. And yeah, that is kind of my recap of our workshop. It was really, really great. If you have a chance to do a WinSETT workshop, that's Women in Science, Engineering, Technology, and Trades, I highly recommend it. They have fantastic facilitators and they do a really good job of going through the topics. I'm doing a whole leadership series, so there's 6 workshops in total, and it's been really, really great and really interesting so far, and I'm looking forward to the rest of them. So when I was at the Etsy show a couple weekends ago, I pre-ordered a new doormat for us because we've had one that we got a while ago and it's starting to get like really soggy. It's just kind of gross. So we were like, let's get a new one. And the Fashionable Crafter, who is a local Etsy and like crafting person, had some there. So I pre-ordered a different one that she didn't have with her at the time, and I just picked it up tonight and I wanted to show it to you. How cute is that? I am in love with it. I'm super excited. I'm gonna put it out in front of our door tomorrow, but I have to make sure that I take our other one to the garbage first. So that's why it's still inside right now, as a reminder that I have to take the other one to the garbage. Alright, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm in bed. I'm just looking through some inspiration on my phone for some upcoming projects that I'm doing with Chantilly Lace. I'm super excited about them. So just, yeah, taking a peek at some Pinterest stuff right now. And I'm gonna sign off. I will see you tomorrow. Bye!